I'm sure you've heard the news. In 2024, having a website is non-negotiable. Here are 10 reasons why your business needs a website in 2024. First, it boosts credibility. No website? People might think you're not legit. Second, it's your 24/7 storefront. Customers can visit anytime, anywhere. Third, SEO magic. A good website makes you easier to find on Google. Fourth, it's a marketing hub. Everything from social media to email campaigns leads back here. Fifth, customer insights. Track what people like and what they don't. Sixth, it's cost-effective. Cheaper than traditional advertising. Seventh, show off your products. Great photos, videos, and descriptions can seal the deal. Eighth, build trust. Share testimonials and reviews right on your site. Ninth, it's scalable. As you grow, your website grows with you. And finally, number 10, stand out from the competition. Be that business with the awesome website. So what are you waiting for? Get your website up and running today.